In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert colon currency symbol on any document using your keyboard shortcuts. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So colon currency symbol is a currency symbol for Costa Rica, and this is how it looks like. Now the challenge is that most keyboards don't have this currency symbol shortcut on their keyboards. However, you can create your own, and to do this, just head over to your Word document and then click on Insert. From Insert, head to Simple, and under Symbols, go to More Symbols. From here, choose and change the font to Arial, so I'll click on Arial, and then under Subject, click on Currency. So if I choose Currency, here we have currency of major currencies in the world. Of interest is this colon currency symbol. Go ahead and click on it. However, we don't want to insert it. We want to create a shortcut for this currency. To do that, go to shortcut key, and here you can assign this currency any shortcut. For instance, I can assign it Alt+1, and to do that, just place your cursor under press new shortcut key, and now use your combination like Alt+1 like this, and it will be created. So if you click on assign, now you can see we have a combination of Alt+1 assigned to this symbol, which is colon. Now close this, and if I go ahead and now press a combination of Alt key +1, now you can see colon currency symbol will be inserted. So that's how you can insert colon currency symbol using keyboard shortcuts. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.